Hey everyone, I'm just gonna make a little short video. I got a package from Danny Collins, a gift package. Have no idea what's in it. It doesn't even matter. I'm sure it's awesome. And I just wanted to say, thank you to the community of Flint Nappers. It's been awesome to be a part of a group of guys that are just so generous and with their knowledge and with rock, things like that, teach you skills. It's just truly awesome to be in a group like this. So thank you to all of y'all out there for that. Anybody watch my channel on Facebook or just anybody out there that's helping each other out in this, just an awesome community. Another thing I was going to do before I open the box there is I wanted to show you a little cahokia I made yesterday. Just a little bitty thing. Made it out of a piece of flint laying out there by my cabin. It's just a little flake, little bitty piece, but you can see it on my finger there. Just get an idea how big it is. It's not very big, maybe an inch long, if that, probably. So, inch and a quarter, longer than I thought. Inch and a quarter by 13/16. So, a little too narrow to hunt with. Pretty thin. It's like 1/8 inch thick. Which ain't too bad for a small point like this for the width. I just like making these things. They're not worth any money, but they're fun to make. And just to show y'all that even little flakes can make some beautiful little points like this. And of course, it wouldn't be one of my videos without the kill shot. Alright, so on to the main event here. Let's get to the napping. I took the bags off of it already. He had it in bubble wrap bags, so I don't know what's in here, Danny, but whatever it is, I just wanted to say thank you very much. Absolutely awesome of you to send this out. So I'm really curious to dig in and see what we got in here. Every time I get rock from you, it's awesome, so I don't expect this to be any different. And there we go. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Ooh, I got me some nice slabs in there. Nice. That's a good percussion slab. Nice and thick. Awesome. See if I can't make something pretty out of that. Looks like this one might have got broke in transit, but I don't know what this is. Is this Alabates? It's got some druzy crystals in it. That's pretty cool. Could be what, yeah, that's what caused it to break. You can see it's in there. It's alright, I can still make a little point out of that in this. So now I get two. It's a twofer. Not a problem either. Nice thick slabs to make something out of. Awesome. Pretty stuff. Heat treated, you see how shiny that is? Nice. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. Maybe that's K County or something. I'm not sure. It's kind of a little, it's not as shiny, a little drier, but it's got a really cool pattern in it. Just the different little speckles and stuff. I got some K County, but I'm not exactly sure how close it is to compare it. Cool. Thank you very much. Nice. It's got a nice color. Shiny. Nice for just using percussion on. Start out with indirect. That'll make a pretty good point. It's pretty long. So it ain't as long as that K County or whatever that was. That's 5 inches. That's a nice length slab. See how long this one is since I'm measured. That one there is 5 3/4, so that'll make a beautiful point. If my skill level allows me to do it without breaking it too, you know. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm wondering if this is that Mexican agate stuff that's got all that in it. I had a little piece of that. It looks very similar to it with this stuff here, right here in it. Like, let's see if I got a piece over here. Oh, let's see. Is that the same stuff as this? I would think it is. This slab is really thin. Look how thick the one Danny sent me is. That's awesome. I mean, that's more of a pressure slab compared to this, but I like the percussion slabs like that. They're awesome. Nice. Very nice. Let's take a little flake off of it, shall we? Just to check. Ooh, look at that. But man, that just flakes so nice, shiny under there. You see that side kind of dull, that side a lot shinier. That nap, like butter, just slid a little miniature knife blade off there. Look at there, got a point already. Slice it. Cool, cool, cool. That's some pretty stuff. I think I made a point out of that once, a little point. And what else we got in here? I think that's heat treated Buffalo River. Little ball of it. Got a little crunchy spot in it, a little crystal, which is kind of cool. A lot of this rock has that in it, but that looks like Buffalo River. I think. Either way, I like it. Whatever it is. What is this? Shiny. Maybe an agate of some kind? Brazilian or something? I don't know. I don't know if Brazilian has this color in it or not. I like it though. Pretty cool stuff. And last but not least, and I don't know what that is, but it sure the heck is gorgeous. And I can see it's got some test flakes on it, so obviously it's going to flake, which makes it even more awesome. If I can hit it, let's see what I got there. Ooh. Well, that shined up pretty. Nice little flake, got some convexity in it. That's going to be a fun piece to nap. Yeah, all of it's going to be a fun piece to nap. Let's see how long this one is. So, this one is 5 3/8. Beautiful piece of material. Man, that's shiny. It looks a little bit like that bullseye, kind of, but I don't think that's what it is. But it might be. I don't know. I'm sure this coloration is from the saw and the heat treat, and it's going to be this all this white with these bands and stuff in it. And it just peeled right off there like that. So I'm sure that's from the. Yeah, that's from the. I don't know. Naps really well though. Very, very nice. Nice and thick. That's a nice thick slab. That baby is a little over 9/16. Awesome. Danny, I cannot say thank you enough, buddy. This stuff's awesome. These are some nice slabs to work on. 9/16. Those are nice thicknesses. Nice material. Very much appreciated, my friend. I can't say thank you enough. Just absolutely gorgeous material. And I'm going to have some fun making some points out of this. And it's going to be having a little inclusion in it or something there, but we can work around that. Still get a point in here, or here, whichever way's longer. I'll measure it out and find out, but that's pretty. I wonder if that's some of that jasper he picked up down in like that Lavic jasper. I wonder if that's what that is. It's got kind of like a green color, some green, yellow, reds, whites. Whatever it is, it's pretty. I wonder if that's what that is. Haven't seen it heat treated or cut before, so I don't really know. Either way, it's going to make a pretty point. For sure. What was this one? Probably, I want to say it's a Georgetown, but it may not be. Got a little, can't really tell by that Cortex that's on it. Ooh. Whatever it is, it's got a nice shine to it. Napped well. Awesome. It's another nice thick slab. It won't take much and have a nice point out of that. See the shine in it right there where I just run in flakes. Pretty stuff. It's probably a 1/2 inch at least. Nope, that's 9/16 too. Did you hear that ring? It's a little grainier than the other stuff, but it's still running flake well. Nothing a little zigzagging and all can't do to fix this baby. Oh yeah, look at that. And that was down to Cortex. Excellent. I gotta smack this one too. I done smacked the rest of them. Oh yeah, it's got a nice shine to it. Little flake like that, and just lost nothing. That's a win. And the last one, this one, if that's Buffalo River, that's some good stuff. It can be finicky, from my experience with it. Some of it can be dry, some of it can be, you just never know, I don't think. But boy, it's got a pretty color. Hope that stays in it all the way, but it'll probably nap out if it is. Oh yeah, I run a flake right up in there. I really want to hit that, but it'd probably just step off. Have to take a little short flake first. And then turn it back a little bit. Well, I don't have that concave spot. Yeah, still may step right there and it may shoot right through it. Let's find out. It did just broke a little chip off, so I ain't gonna hit it there again. Anyway, Danny, I can't say thanks enough, buddy. Awesome material. Very much appreciated. That's just awesome. Awesome, buddy. Thank you. And smack a rock.